Alright, class, get out your math expressions workbook. Turn to the next page from yesterday, which will be 140, 140, and next is 7. So you're going to get your pencil, and you are going to connect the dots in order. That's what the directions tell you, so we're going to go in order. So we're going to connect and stop the puzzle penguin. Okay? We are at 1, because we're on the beginning. We're going to go over to 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll go to 9, because that's next, and then finish with 10. Good job. I'll do the next for this shape. We start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finish with 10. Help Puzzle Penguin. Look at Puzzle Penguin's numbers. Did Puzzle Penguin write the numbers in order? Is it correct? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's not right. 7, oh, and that's not right. 9 and 10. Yes. So, he didn't do it right, did he? 8 and 7 are mixed up. So 7 doesn't come after 8, and 8 comes after 7. So the flip-flop, right? Let's write them the correct way for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. So we want to do the bottom, because what number comes after 4? What number comes after 4, everyone? You have this number on the wall up here. 5. What number comes before 7? I said before. What comes before 7? So look up here. What comes before means, oh, I have to count it first. Before I get to 7, and I count 6 comes before 7. Good job. Once you finish that, please go post it on, you guessed it, Seesaw. Thank you.